Then we can add it to a short if we need to. Okay, you ready? All right. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a treat, something we want to test out on the pool route. We're going to see if this thing is any good. And I figure the best way to find out if it's any good is actually put it to work. So we've got some really tough pools, and according to what they say online, this thing will help. So let's check it out. You guys ready to see what we got?
I have no idea what it is. I'm so excited.
So excited.
So excited.
Well, you're fixing to be wowed. Obviously, it's got that extra child-proof seal on it.
That's good. They don't want people like me opening it.
Here we go, fellas.
Okay.
All right, flip it. There we go. Any ideas?
Is it like a floating skimmer?
It's a floating skimmer.
Okay, I like that. I like that.
Alrighty, let's see.
So it's even got a remote. So what I'm thinking is it's solar. So I'm thinking we can put it on some of our really tough pools while we're vacuuming. Throw this in and see if it'll skim the top. What do you think?
I love that. That's awesome. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm sold.
So what we'll do is we'll take it to some really tough pools, which we have tomorrow and today, and we'll see if it's.
But
any
when
good.
you open it, spin it around so that she can see it. Okay, you got it?
Easy
I'm
open.
telling you.
That
Okay.
might be a problem.
Has
I
controller,
might not get any work.
the batteries, the little screwdrivers
I know,
put the
right?
batteries in.
I'm gonna
Can you
get a
drive it by
call.
the
Yeah.
controller?
He's
Yes.
sitting in the
Yes, you
chair,
can.
driving the.
Easy
I'm telling
open.
you.
That might be a problem. I might not get any work done.
Easy remove
I know,
batteries.
right? I mean, I'm gonna get a call. Yeah, he's sitting in the chair, driving this little machine around.
Right here. Easy
Could be
remove.
good. Is it battery operated
Easy
or
remove
solar?
basket.
Battery
Basket.
So how does that work? Is that got like a little paddle wheel?
Yes, paddle
Oh,
wheel.
sweet.
Little gear right here. Easy
I do
remove.
not see
Is it battery operated or solar?
It's battery right there, and that's solar.
First,
I do. I don't know about you, but I tried to
I do not see a charge port, but might need to read the instruction manual first.
we don't read instructions first.
I do. I don't know about you, but I tried to read the instructions.
Read instructions last. So you found another gear.
Yeah, and so I just started running everywhere. So
Running.
it's like
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
So change left or right. See if it. Oh, watch it. Okay, we got to see the drive mechanism here. Okay.
All right.
So change left or right. See if it's
upside down.
Oh, watch it.
Yeah.
Propeller.
Because the lid's open.
Now do it. Watch the propeller. Okay, go ahead. Oh, maybe it knows it's upside down.
Yeah. Because the lid's open.
Now do it. Watch the
See,
propellers.
one
slows down, the other one goes fast. That would make it turn.
Yep.
I'll turn the other way. Just hold it. Oh yeah, see how one slows down, the other one goes fast. That would make it turn.
Yep.
I'll turn the other way. Just hold it slow. Go back the other way. Yeah, now the other one stops, so it'll go that way. And then go forward. That's cool. So it looks like we should be able to drive in any direction. Go slow. Go back the other way.
off. And
Oh yeah, look, they're backing up now. Sweet. That's cool.
it could be
So it looks like we should be able to drive in
Try it
any
out.
direction. And that turns it off.
And don't forget the
Off in the back.
off in the back.
That could be fun. Can't wait to try it out.
Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver So gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off.
Still got a lot on top. It's been almost 20 minutes. Let's pull this thing out and see what it's picked up. Actually, that's pretty good. Probably half of the basket is full, so I'm going to call that a win on the first go round. All right, so got that little pile of leaves. It's hard to see on the camera, but it's pretty good little pile. So we'll take it back. I'm going to put it in. I've got to make one more repair on the pump. So we'll let this thing run while I change the seal on that backwash valve. So I'm going to put it back to work. And we'll let it go. I guess overall we'll call this cleaner better than expected. Seems to do a fabulous job picking up the leaves. It's a little slower than expected, but it does a really good job. As you can see, when we emptied that basket the first time after about 20 minutes, it was probably more than half full. So the real leaves are coming up soon. We haven't got to the heavy leaves yet. But when we do, we're going to try it again and see how that goes. But first test, right out of the box, this thing far exceeded our expectations. Probably not good for commercial use because it's too slow. But for the individual homeowner, if you just want to throw it in the pool and let it go, yeah, total win. Really cool features. It seems to have some sort of sensors. As it gets close to the edges, it backs itself up, so keeps it from bumping into the walls, which I like that, especially if you have a liner pool. That'll be good. If you have a pool cleaner in the water, like a hose or something, or your chlorine floater, it's gonna go around it. It's not gonna bump into it. So I like that. It's kind of neat. So anyway, overall, we give it a thumbs up, and I don't know, you test it out. Maybe you've got some experience with it. Leave in the comments what you think. And or if you got some ideas we could do as far as testing goes, we'll give it a shot. So anything goes, throw it in the comments and we'll give it a whirl. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.